The Alfa Romeo Tonale may only have one more year to live without a replacement in sight. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the Alfa Romeo Tonale is one of the models currently produced at the Stellantis plant in Pomigliano. And this is alongside the Fiat Panda. But last year, Alfa Romeo's C-segment SUV was updated with some changes amid making it more competitive in a market segment where competition is amongst the fiercest. You know, here in the United States, we got the refreshed looks, front fascia, wheels, interior, and the new trim of the Sport Speciale. Over in Europe, well, we have the same kind of, iterations when it comes to the overall looks, but you guys got the dial shifter and a couple other things here and there when it comes to tweaks. But what does that mean when it comes to the Alfa Romeo Tonale moving forward, as this refresh was really supposed to keep the Alfa Romeo Tonale alive until is replaced. And as anticipated in recent months, the Alfa Romeo Tonale, despite its recent restyling, won't have a long life. In fact, the rumor is the production of the Milanese manufacturer's SUV at the Pomigliano plant will end by November 2027 next year. So in just over a year, we might say goodbye to the Tonale, which, as we know, was officially revealed in 2022. Now, Alfa Romeo's Tonale will therefore leave the market after just over 5 years, and it should be remembered that in recent weeks, Alfa Romeo confirmed the arrival of its successor, kind of. And this new model could be produced at the Melfi plant on a Stella Medium platform. This one more significantly larger. It is said to be over 4.60 meters, which is making it closer to the current Stelvio than the 2026 Tonale itself. Now, it's not clear whether this will be a new Alfa Romeo Tonale or a model with a different name. However, what we do know is that this car will have a significantly different style than the current Tonale, and the range will include hybrid and fully electric versions. Now, currently, the Tonale is only offered in internal combustion form here in the United States, to where the hybrid model lives on in Europe. Now, something we also know around this time is that the top of the line Quadrifoglio will be included in this new Tonale. One of the most serious shortcomings of this current generation, where it never got a high output variant. Now, this variant should represent the top of the future range. It should have significantly superior performance with a sportier setup consistent with the Alfa Romeo tradition of the cloverleaf. Now, the new SUV should therefore play an important role in the brand strategy as it seeks to strengthen its presence in the premium C segment. Now, it is also worth remembering that this model won't be Alfa Romeo's only C segment offering, as the brand aims to launch a hatchback to follow in the footsteps of the Giulietta and 147. Now, this all makes sense if the Alfa Romeo Tonale were to live on. Normally 3 years into any model's lifespan, it gets a restyle, and then 6 years in, another 3 years, it gets a facelift. We'll be on year 6 of the Tonale. So we know for sure that Pomigliano will no longer produce the Tonale, and the exit of the Tonale from the Pomigliano plant will trigger a revolution with the arrival of the e-car project that will lead the factory to produce the new Fiat Pandina and the new Citroen 2CV, and perhaps even a third model. But as far as the Tonale, we're not exactly sure. No specific news on what's coming for this model and if it's even coming at all. So I want to know what you guys think. Should the Tonale live on, or should Alfa Romeo focus on this C segment Giulietta, an affordable Spider, and the new Giulia and Stelvio? What do you guys think? Long live the Tonale or not? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But also make sure you guys check the links down in the description below if you guys want to help further support the channel. I appreciate that extra love. Thank you guys so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.